Hi love, it is Match Red here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and trying on a set of crop tops that I ordered from Amazon. So I cannot wait. I saved up my money so I could be able to buy some new crop tops. I love trying on everything, clothes. It was actually one of my dreams as a little girl was to be a model. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Let's get started, shall we? I will put the link in the comments and the description for you in case you want to order some yourself. Oh, that was easy enough. I'm so excited. This is actually a really good deal. I can't remember how many came in the pack. It was a reasonable price as well. And this black one is the only one that I have now, so here we go. Here's a cute greyish one. I really enjoy the racer back. Gives me a lot of support, which is what I need. I've got a white one. And you can pair these with just about anything. Here's a light grey one. Black one. Oh good, I can give this one away now. Red one. And we've got a blue one. Okay, I'm excited. Let's give this a shot, huh? Alright, here we go. So far, so good. And here we have the red one. And black, one of my favorite colors. Pink, and we've got the light grey here. I really like this one. White. Maybe white is my favorite color now. I wonder why. And here we've got dark grey. So I really like this brand and this cut of crop tops. I'm really enjoying this. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. Let me know what you think. Okay, I have to try on this white crop top with my new glasses. Now I've got to let my hair down. Okay, I'm loving this new look. What do you think?